Vegetation zones are mapped plant community classes, recurring native species associated with a particular habit. So, landscape architects use them to read a site's ecological character and shape locally grounded planting palettes. Conventionally, that means finding the relevant government map and identifying the class, etc. It's like a separate sort of benchmark or species document that has to be used and then actually turned into a working list. But in SuperSeeded Studio, the vegetation class panel brings all of that into context and at the location of your project. So the mapped class comes from hosted official state or territory vegetation mapping, and the panel shows its classification and conservation status, with the source also available there for you to review. The palette wheel turns this class into species choices that you can then use immediately in your planting design. So I can move from this map's context into planting without manually rebuilding a whole list. So this vegetation zone approach remains a starting point. It's not a site prescription. The mapping might be modelled and linked species may be typical rather than complete. So site assessment and professional judgment still determine the final palette here.